to show you a trick that makes finding the mystery number so much easier when we're looking at subtraction. Sometimes, in our maths, we come across a problem that might look like this. Now, these numbers aren't huge, they're not really difficult to work with, but because this number sentence is a bit unfamiliar for us, we seem to stop ourselves from being able to solve it. We're really comfortable with number sentences that look like this, where we start off with the largest number, we take away a smaller number, and then we find the answer. We seem to be able to do this really well. But as soon as our number sentence looks a little bit different, we seem to freeze. And I want to show you a really easy way that you can solve this problem every single time. Now, a lot of the time when we look at subtraction or finding the difference, we always think we've got to count backwards. We always think we start with the biggest number and we've got to count backwards 15, 14, 13, 12. Now, naturally, this is a little bit more difficult for our brains to do. The reason why it's more difficult is because from a young age, we're taught to count forwards straight away, and that's something we're more comfortable with. Now, if we're more comfortable counting forwards, let's do that for subtraction too. Rather than starting with the 15, I want you to do something a bit different. We're going to start with the number 6. So jot the number 6 down on your piece of paper. And we're going to count forwards and we're going to stop when we get to the number 15. Let's see if we can find the mystery number. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, stop. Now I have counted forwards until I've stopped at the number 15. Now to find the missing number, all I've got to do is count how many jumps it took me. So it took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my mystery number here is 15. Take away 9 equals 6. It's not the most efficient method, but it's definitely one of the easiest. Let's try it for the next one. 25 take away something equals 19. Again, these numbers aren't massive, but we seem to see something like this and we freeze or we panic. Start with the number 19. And we're going to count forwards until we get to the number 25. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, stop. Count how many jumps it took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our mystery number was 6, so we can write 25, take away 6. Now, you can do these in any order you like, but I would like you to choose one of the mystery number problems, pause the video, count forwards, and see if you can get the answer. Now try these ones. See if you can get the answers. Pause the video, give it a go. So, for the future, so that you can remember every step to do this, the first thing you want to do is begin with the last number. The second thing to do is count forwards from this number, just like we did here. So we started at 19, we counted forwards until we got to 25, and we found our missing number. And the final part of this strategy is count the jumps. So once you have counted forwards, count the jumps to find the difference, and you found the missing number.